I'm audible. Okay, wait, I will run it. Yes. Okay, it is running. Okay, go to inspect. Okay, go to console. Can you able to see the screen, guys? Anyone? Okay. So for loop we already discussed. Just we need three segments in a for loop. First one is the initialization, condition, and a iteration. So if you are running exactly this one, it will be run in a infinite loop. Initialization, everything will be infinitely, it will be loading. Okay, now we don't want. First we will initialize the loop. Let I is equal to 0. Okay, I'm starting from the 0. One minute, I will join that person. After that, so next is the condition that I should be I should be less than 10. After that, you need to iteration. Iteration, we already know the operator I, increment and a decrement. Just I want to do the increment. Whenever the loop runs, first it has to go 0. It has to start from the 0. After that, increment. Till how much? That till the condition becomes true. Till the 10, it has to come. Here I have given the condition, it has to be there less than 10 means 9 time it has to iterate. Is that clear? If you want to check it, console, just give the log. So this hello has to iterate 10 times. For example, if you save, it is loading here 10 times. Here 10 times it has been loaded. If you want to check it, just give the year comma I. So I means first is the 0. 0 it takes I index value. After that it prints the hello. After that it prints the next, it goes the I value. It incremented 0 plus I 1. Is that clear? See now if you want to check it, just save it. You will get the 10 times 0 to 9. It till the 9 you will get the iteration. Is that clear? First you need to provide the initialize from where it has to start. After that you need to provide the condition till how much it has to loop it. After that you need to provide the iteration. So I plus plus. Is that clear with the loop? Okay, only I plus ones only can you able to give? No. You can able to give, for example, I is equal to I plus 2. What is that meaning? It has to iterate 2. I plus I means I value 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8 till less than 10. Is that clear? If you want to run it, see how it is coming 0. First I value 0. After that 2. After that it gives the 4, 6, 8. So if you increment, so 3 has to come. 3 increment has to come. It has to come means if you're providing means 0, 3, 6, 9. Like this also you can able to iterate. Is that clear? So this condition means either it has to be there true or a false. Please run it, try it. For loop. In that for loop, only three segment will be there. First, it is the starting from where it has to start. That is nothing but a initialization. Second one, you need to provide the condition. So how many times it has to iterate. After that, you need to provide the iteration. Iteration you can provide I plus plus. It will be better. So many languages in so many programs you were seeing the for loop. This is how you need to provide inside the JavaScript. So if you save it means till the 10 it will come. Till 9 you will get the iteration. Please try it. See here again I'm giving here. If you change the less than or greater than, if you provide like this, what is this meaning? It has to start from 0, I greater than 0. What is this meaning? So it will also provides the infinite loop. Are you getting this condition? Till the condition it has to give the loop. Are you getting? So if you provide like this, it will be given as a till the, whether it is a possible, because it is a incremental order. It is there in the form of incremental order. For example, first it gives the I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. Second time it goes the incremented I plus 1, 0 plus 1, it goes the 1. So next time I is equal to 1, I value is the 1. Again it goes for the iteration. If condition I is less than 0, no, sorry, I is greater than 0, no, it is a true. Next it go for the next iteration, I is equal to 2, and it goes for the condition whether I is less than 0, greater than 0, no, it is falling. Till the condition true, it has to loop has to execute. If you provide like this, it will be infinite loop. Clearly understand the looping concept. It is very very important how to give the concept. Is that clear? Okay sir, now I want to decrement. How will you decrement? For example, it has to start from I is equal to start from the 18. Okay, now I'm giving the I plus plus. What happens? It is also, it provides the till the condition, it provides the 0 only. So what now we want, sorry, it is also infinite loop. Now if you decrement, it won't be a infinite loop, because now I'm decrementing. First it start from the 18, I is equal to 18. So it iterates and it provides the console hello. After that, minus, it is a decrementing, I is equal to 17, because 18 minus 1, 17, it will come. Again it go for the loop like this till the 0. So till, for example, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, it provides the 1. So it is also true. Next if it comes I 1 minus 0, 0, I is equal to 0, if it is coming means it is the condition fails. So here only, here till here it stops, till 1 it stops. If you want to check it, just save it, you will get. See here 18, 17, 16 it is coming, 15, 14, 13 till 1. If the condition becomes I less than 0, greater than 0 means, so our condition here fails. So here only our iteration stops. Is that clear with for loop, guys? For loop it is nothing but until the condition becomes true, the iteration will be happening. And we already know, we have discussed for loop means we know the exact iteration, how many iterations are happening. So if you want to check it means, you can go for the for loop. Is there clear with the for loop, guys? I hope you understood some knowledge about the for loop. Please careful about the iteration, because if you are providing the wrong condition, it will go for the infinite loop also. So please careful about it. So because of one for loop, my system crashed. Okay, more than 3000 I spent to recover all the datas. So be careful in that. Okay, next we will go for the while loop. So I will comment it, this one, just control record slash, you can able to comment it. Okay, next we will go for the while loop. While loop is very is the while, and we need to provide the condition, this much only. So we don't know the how much iterations are happening. Okay, while, condition, and you need to provide. Same like a for loop only, you need to provide. First you need to use the while keyword. After that you need to use the parenthesis to provide the condition. And if you want to write the, you need to provide the flower bracket for the block of code. So if you write here, block of code will be written. This is the while loop syntax. Now inside the parenthesis you need to provide the condition. Okay, this much only for the while loop. Just we will discuss one example. These are the very easiest concept and important concepts also. Now I'm giving let, for example, about that I'm giving let count is equal to 0. So the count is starting from the 0, and this count should be less than 5. Okay, this condition I have given, and inside the condition I'm writing the log count. Simply we will give, I'm providing the, I'm counting. So how much counters are happening? Is that clear? I have given the count. After that, so we need to, for example, if you want to give this, here I have given here increment or a decrement I have given. So you are also in while loop also you need to provide the iteration. So after the inside the block of code I'm giving count plus plus. Is that clear? Count plus plus I am providing. Okay, if I run, if I save, see here it is coming 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 until the condition becomes true. I am providing. Is that clear? But we don't know the exact count. Here what we have given, we have given the iterations, how much iteration it has to come inside the on inside the parenthesis itself we have given. But here I have not given the how much iteration it has to provide. But till the condition becomes true, we I have, till the condition becomes true, the loop will be iterated. Is that clear? We will get to know while doing the some of the project, simple project, you will get to know when to use while loop, when to use for loops and all. For timing, just to understand the syntax, how to write the syntax, and how to write, how it is coming. Is that clear? For the while loop, just you need to provide the condition inside the parenthesis. After that block of code you need to write. Here I'm giving the hello, sorry, inside the I'm giving hello. After that I'm giving the comma so that you can able to understand. Hello 0, hello 1, hello 2. So after that you need to give the iteration, how much iterations are happening. Is that clear? With this same output only you will get, but you will get to know some difference. Right, I will block it. So I'm giving the plus plus so that you can able to, it has to less than, I'm giving 10, no, 5 only we will provide, 5. After that I'm giving, it has to start from 0. If I save, same output you will get 0 to 0. Wait, I will give the log, so that you can able to understand. See here, see difference, this is for loop and this is for while loop. Same output, same iterations are happening, but you should know when to use while loop and when to use the for loop. You will get to know slowly, but understand the syntax how it is working. For the for loop, first you should provide the iterations, sorry, you should provide the initialization from where it is starting, and you should provide the condition. After that you need to provide the iteration. But in a while loop, directly you need to provide the, which one, you need to provide the condition inside the block of code. You need to provide, you need to provide the iteration. Is that clear? Iteration, is that clear with for loop and while loop? I hope you understood the what is for loop and what is while loop. Clearly understand the code, the way of writing the code. See, starting itself I have initialized, but inside that you can able to initialize here like this also. For example, let I, just like this also you can able to initialize. It is also correct. But starting itself in a while loop, starting here itself I have initialized, and I just inside the loop while I have given only a condition. After that the increment process, so initial iteration part also I have not given inside the while loop. So inside the block of code I have given the iteration. Is that clear with while loop and for loop, guys? The way of writing the syntax, I hope you understood. Any doubt that I am getting the doubt, sir? Anything? Shall I move forward? Okay, I'm moving forward. Okay, next we are having the do while. Do while. Okay, the simple one real time example I want to give means do while. You're going to a restaurant, right? You're going for the restaurant for the having the a lunch. Before that, what you they will provide? They will provide the menu card, whether you're having the lunch or not. But you can able to see the menu, what is there present inside the restaurant. Is that clear? What are the foods are there inside the restaurant? What are the foods are available in the restaurant? You can able to check the menu, right? That is nothing but a do. And while you already know the condition, what are the iterations are happening, the while loop part will give. So do while it is nothing but a, it gives the whether the condition fails or false. Sorry, fails or, sorry, true or false. It provides the do, it prints the statement. Is that clear? Are you getting, guys? Is that clear? Like a menu card only. Whether you are ordering the food or not. It prints the statement. You can able to see the menu. Same concept like inside same concept for the do and why. Do while. Do inside the do, what are the statements you are providing? It will be printed as it is. After that it is goes for the while condition. After that you can either you can order the food or not, you can get back. So do while means you can able to check the menu. Do while means you can able to do inside the do, what are the block of code will be written, it will be printed as it is that clear? If you want to check it, I'm giving do and I'm giving console log, I'm giving count. Okay, let it be count. After that I'm giving the count plus plus. After that I'm writing the while the condition. See, all the syntax will be just if you provide. See, for example, while I'm giving the while. Just this box is there, right? This box is there, right? If you click on that box, the syntax will be appeared as it is. See here, while, and you need to provide the condition, and you need to provide the inside the statement. You need to provide the block of code. Same way. For example, if you click on the do, see here, it will come. So for the do it is not coming, for the while it is coming. So before that you need to initialize the value count. Let count is equal to, how to create a variable, let count is equal to 0. Okay, it is the starting value. After that, inside the do, I'm printing the log. I'm giving count. You will get to know. I will give the one example, nice example. And count plus plus. Okay, count plus plus I have given. After that, I'm giving the while. Inside the while, same concept only, in like what we have discussed in the while loop condition. Just I'm giving count should be less than 5. After that, I'm printing the statement log hello world. If I save it, print. See here what happens here. See whether it is a true or false. Whether it is a true or false, this count part, this zero part is working. For example, if I give less than 0, actually here itself our condition fails, but it will provide the 0 value. For example, here, wait, I'm giving hello. This is first index. Is that clear? This is first index. See here the condition fails. You already know, because zeroth index is hello world. Hello, this is the index. 0 is the first zeroth index. You already know. If the condition fails here itself, it should not, in a while loop, it should not run any of the code, iterate any of the block of code. But here inside the do while, what happens? First time the iteration will be happen. After that, it will go for the while condition. Are you getting? Whatever the iteration fails or true or false, the first one iteration will be done. Are you getting? For example, just if you save it, it will gives the, this is first index, and once one time it has been looped. Are you getting? Last time what I have done, it was coming a fifth time. Are you getting? But here itself it stops. Whether it is a true or false, it will be, condition will be one time, iteration will be happened. Is there clear guys? Are you understanding? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ guys? Are you getting or not? Do while. Okay. Okay, next, are you clear with do while and for loop, guys? I hope you understood these two concepts, three concepts. This and all you have know, you already know what is for loop, what is while loop, and what is do while loop. Okay, next another some additional keywords we are having. So that is nothing but a break and a continue. Break, break, and continue. So break and continue, we will learn about the break and continue. See, break means if the one condition becomes true or fails, means if you're providing the break means there itself it stops. Continue means the certain part of the code will be skipped and it will be continued. Is that clear? We already know these two functionalities, how it is working. Once again we will check it. For example, I'm giving let count is equal to 0. Okay, after that I'm using the while. Inside the while, what you need to provide, guys? What you need to provide inside the while parenthesis? You need to provide the condition. After that I'm writing console dot log of count, and it has to come count plus plus. Is that clear? Count plus plus. So if you provide, it will be 1 2 3, it will count. For example, save means you will get 1 till 4 you will get. So if you want to get it, hello. Okay, 5 times 4 5 times it will be given. Now I'm giving the one condition. So we already know the if condition. If, okay, if count is equal to double is equal to or is equal to 2, then block of code continue. If I provide continue, what happens? Let me see. And I'm providing, it has to come log of count. Let me see what happens. See what I have done here. Wait a minute. Mistake. Okay, stop. Okay. See what I am doing here. Wait. Did we check right? Yeah. Continue. Hmm. Okay. Just I have done here while condition I have given. After that, it has to count till 5. 4 element it has to come. For example, if you want to check it, I'm removing this one. So console it. Open with the live server. Right click, inspect, go to inspect and do the console. 4 times it is coming. Okay. Now I'm telling if the count is equal to true, then continue means if it is coming 2 means it has to skip 2 number wherever the index value c is the 2, and it will skip and again rest of them skip. Write the give the output. Just that much only I have given. Is that clear? Now check it. If I say here, wait, sorry, I have not. See here, 0 it is coming. After that, it has been skipped. Wait, why it is not coming correctly? If the condition becomes true, just I'm continuing. What happens? It is not coming. If count double is equal to, oh, it is taking infinite loop. What happens here? It has to come. Wait, we will check it in one example. What happens? Okay, triple is equal to 3. You need to provide. Let me check. Thank you. Let it be. We will check it. Continue. After that, you need to provide the one log of count. Just we will count it. Inspect. Go to console. And if I save, it has to come. Why it is not? Okay, see here. Now, see here, 1 is coming. Here, inside the 1 to 2, the 2 is missing. Are you getting here? Say 1 is coming. 2, it has skipped. If it is coming 2, if the count becomes 2, it has been removed. And again, it is starting. 3, hello, and 4. So if you want to find it, remove this one. You can able to identify easily. See here. Now it is coming 1. It is skipping the 2, 3, 4, 5. It is coming. Are you getting? Now if you want to check, now I want only 3. What happens? It goes for the count and say now 1, 2. As soon as count is equal to 3, the 3 is skipped and again it is going for the 4 and 5. Now if I give break, there itself, if as soon as 3 says means it gives the break. Now if you want to check it, hello, so that you can able to understand very fast. So as soon as if I see the 3, see here only 1 2 it is you are getting. After the 3 you cannot able break the break statement I have given. As soon as you see the 3 third one iteration it is happening, and if I see the count is equal to 3, there itself it stops. That is the work of the break and continue. If you want to find it, as soon as it sees the 4, it has to break. See, it is breaking. If you're providing continue, if you're providing the continue, see, as soon as 4 sees means it skips the portion, only the certain portion it skips, and remaining everything it provides. 1, 2, 3, and 4 is skipped, and 5 is given. Is that clear, guys? Are you understanding the concept about the loop? I hope you understood these concepts about the looping. Inside the loop, we have discussed about the for loop, while loop, and do while loop. After that, see some of the key functions we have learned how to use the continue and what is break. Just understand the concept inside the project while doing the real-time project, you will get to know. But before that, you should know how to write the way of writing the loops and difference between the what is for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Is that clear, guys? Shall I continue? Just on 5 minutes, I will give the some introduction about the l- array. After that, we will wind up the class. Is that clear? So just I will comment it, and I'm creating the another script. So I will create another script. Again, I'm creating the another script that is called array dot. You also give, save it, and link the for the index. So how will you give? Just instead of loop, you provide array. Okay, what is array? Anyone? What is array? What is array? Guys, what is array, guys? In another programming, the sequential element. Why we are using usually? Why we are using the array? Sequential order. It will stores the in the form of sequential order. We already know. But why we are using the array? Why we want to use it? Yeah, yes. The word itself is very very important. Multiple values we want to store means you can able in a same variable, in a one variable you want to store the multiple values. At that time we are using the array. For example, usually what will you do? Well, giving the while we want to store the values means let a is equal to 5. After that let b is equal to 10. 10. After that let c is equal to 15. Like this we will write, like this we will create the variable. But if you want to store the same values, values means types of data you want to store means it takes a much time. And if you want to see the one index value, sorry, if you want to see the, you want to get the output means what will you do? Log, and you provide the variable name. So if you save means you will get the, wait, I will arrange it very fast. See here, you are getting the 10. Again, you want to add the another variable. What will you do? Let d is equal to 1. Yeah.
ಯಾರು ಕಾಸು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ
ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಸರ್
ಅಜ್ಜರು
போதுமா
49,000
எதுவும் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ண மாட்டேன்.
நான் பாக்க இல்லைங்க அதான் நான் சொல்றத கேட்க
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே, நான் தான் அனுப்பிச்சு சொன்னேன். Okay, again you want to store some more values means you need to create another variable and you need to add it. So it takes a time, right? Instead in a one variable you can able to stores the multiple values. But in another programming language what we'll do, all the same data type. For example in Java, let's take a Java. What we will do, for example string, in Java like this we will create string. After that a is equal to inside the square bracket 1 comma 2 comma, sorry, string, right? You need to inside the double quotes you need to provide a. After that, same data types. Inside the double quotes you need to provide b, and inside the double quotes you need to provide the c. Multiple data you want to store, but in JavaScript, and you want to give the stores the integer, means what you'll do, int b is equal to square bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Same data type only you can able to store in an array, but in JavaScript, you can able to store the multiple values also. Is that clear? You can able to store the multiple different types of data also. You can able to store function also. You can able to store objects also. You can able to store integer also, and you can able to store string also. In a one array you can able to store it. Is that clear? For example, let giving string student data. For example, student array is equal to, inside the double quote square bracket you need to use, I want to give the register numbers 1 2 3, or names abc comma xyz, or ajay. After that, comma Anthony, and comma you can provide um, what name, Hamdan. Okay, like this you can provide, and also you can provide, this is the same set of values, right? Same data type, and also you can provide the integer also, 1 2 3. It will accepts 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will accepts. And also it accepts the functions also. For example, we will discuss about the function, how to create the function, but for timing I will directly give, I will create a one function function name you need to provide. Function name for timing, dummy function. Okay, dummy function, I will give function name. After that, I'm giving, inside that you can give, no need parenthesis now. So inside that, just I'm consoling console.log, log I'm providing. So if you want to check it, wait, I will put it in another one. So I'm giving the log hello, log, I'm giving hello. Okay, inside the array again you can give the objects also. I will create the objects. For example, name is equal to name colon Ajay. Are you getting? Like this also you can give age, comma age. About the objects and the functions we will discuss. For timing, just understand, inside the array you can able to provide all the types of values, like objects you can give, string value also you can provide, and you can provide the integer also, and you can provide even boolean values also you can provide, true also you can provide. Are you getting? Age colon 24, like this also you can provide. Is that clear? Okay, sir, you can able to raise the answer. For example, if I have, for example, let a is equal to 1. Are you getting? And let b is equal to 2. Okay, if it is there like this, means if I want to access a, means what will you do? Just you will go like this, console.log. Log you will create, log log you will create, and you will provide the variable name. If I save, if you want to save, means you, wait, I will comment it. Okay, just I want as values, means if I save I will get the value called 1 I will get. See, 1 I am getting. But here inside the array, I will comment it this one. Okay, inside the array, how will you access? So here it comes index value. We already know how the index value start from the index value. Index value, if you provide the index value, you can able to access the any of the elements from inside the array. You can able to access. How will you access? Using the index value, index number. So index, always we already know index start from the 0 to 0 1 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 till the values. For example, here index values start from 0. If I access, for example, if you can able to check it, just I'm accessing log. Okay, you want to print everything means just give the student array. So if I save, you can be able to get all the values. So total we are having the 9 index values are having. For example, see here you are having the 0 is the ABC. Am I audible, guys? Guys, am I audible? Okay. A is the index value 0. Ajay is the index value 1. Anthony index value 2. Till we are having the length. How many length we are having? We are having the 9 length, because 0 to 8. We are having the 9 values we are having. Is that clear, guys? Index value. For example, you want to access only that I need. So what will you provide? So log of student, just array name. After that, using the square bracket, hamdan value 0 1 2 3. If you provide 3 means you can able to access the hamdan. Are you getting? You are getting the hamdan value. For example, true one, true I want. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you provide 6 means you will get the true. Are you getting? So true value you will get. Is that clear? So if you want to access the element inside the array means using the index value, you can able to access. Is that clear? How to access the array? So because we already know JavaScript is loosely program. You can able to modify anything. In a Java means Java, Python are tight, but in a JavaScript is a loosely. That's why it is called a, see here, in Java and all, only same data types, in only same data type will be array will be stored, but in JavaScript it will be stored in the different data types or different functions, objects also it will be stored inside the array. And also data will be stored in a contiguous memory location. Continuously that elements will be arranged, because that's why continuous means you can able to access using the index value. Is that clear? I hope you understood the array. Okay, some of the methods we will check it. If you want to find the length of the array, how much length is there means, so using the length method you can able to access. So we will find it. See how I'm using log. After that, just give the array name student array dot. Just if you give the dot, you will get the different, these are the these much methods you are having. Are you getting? So these much methods you are having. So what? So these different methods, it has the different functionalities. Okay, it has the different functionalities. 1 minute, I will stop the recording. If it is going beyond 1 hour means you can't able to upload.